Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to configure the map widget in a dashboard using Bold BI. Let us see the overview of a map widget. Maps visually represent geographical data, like latitude and longitude, or regions, like country or state. It provides the ability to track profits based on your organization's presence more easily across the city, state, or country. Using maps, company leaders can analyze activities across several locations and take decisions. Let's start configuring the map widget. This sales opportunities dashboard provides a detailed breakdown of a company's opportunities and revenue. Now, I am going to recreate this sales progress by country map widget for your real-time experience. To configure, I add the required data sources. Drag and drop the map widget from the toolbox into the design panel. Resize the widget as per the requirement. Under the Properties Data tab, I provide the widget name and its description. Under the Assign Data tab, you'll see the Data tab open with the available columns from the connected data source. The map widget needs a minimum of one value element and one shape to showcase data. I will bind the total revenue under the Local Value section, provide an aggregation function as a sum, and also apply formatting to showcase the data in the currency format. Next, bind the country column in the Dimensions section to get the total sales revenue by country. Here you can also add multiple columns to enable drill down. As you can see, the widget data has been rendered properly. You can also switch map types under the basic settings of the Properties tab. The choropleth maps allow you to showcase quantitative values encoded using a color scale, and bubble maps allow you to showcase quantitative values encoded using the bubble size. Next, you can also configure columns under this Location Tooltip section, which is used to show the values of bound columns while rendering tooltips. Also render markers along with tooltips by configuring measure or dimension values under Marker Latitude, Longitude, and Tooltip sections. The map widget has been successfully configured. Now, let me apply properties to the widget. Under Basic Settings, by default, the Show Tooltip option will be enabled. It can be disabled if needed. This Enable Multi-Select option will be enabled only after you enable the Act as Master Widget option, and this allows you to filter multiple data. Here, you can select a shape and data from the combo box dropdown based on your need. Then, enable and customize the legend names if needed. Next, apply advanced conditional formatting to show different colors based on total sales revenue. These are the default properties applied when configuring the widget. Now, the widget is successfully recreated. Let's publish the dashboard to save the changes. Here, this sales progress by country widget makes it easy to understand the distribution of total sales revenue across the country. Let's see the best practices of showcasing map widget. The best practice of showcasing the map widget is to visualize the geodata with a map by using monochromatic coloring to indicate potential customer count in specific regions. Use map widget to visualize data by applying conditional color formatting based on high to low probability. Use custom markers to indicate companies and analyze their customer service experiences in different geographic areas. Use drill down to monitor all the business activities from a single view. Next, I will show you a few dashboard examples that have used map widgets. In the Stack Overflow Developer Survey 2020 dashboard, the map showcases the number of survey respondents by country. In the Coronavirus Disease Situation dashboard, the map showcases the confirmed case count by the country, where the darker color represents a higher value in the confirmed cases count. In the Real Estate Management dashboard, the map shows sales of properties by region. Here you can also add custom marker images to showcase your data. Likewise, you can use map widgets to analyze activity across several locations. Please leave a comment with any questions you may have, or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.